Hello, it's Kentrissa. I am a credit specialist and welcome back to my channel. Here I will share my personal experience and knowledge over credit and finance. So if any of those topics interest you, subscribe to my channel. Also leave a question because today I will be answering my top 3 questions that I received and they will be about mortgages. So subscribe, share, comment, leave a question, and I'll make more videos and answer them to help you along your journey. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the top 3 questions that I have received. Question number 1, are mortgage interest rates negotiable? Question number 2, can I get a mortgage with a low or no credit score? Question number 3, how much down payment will I need? All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the first question. Are mortgage interest rates negotiable? Yes. So the first thing I would do is I would pull my credit at least 5 to 7 times within the 45-day span. It's not frowned upon. Remember, this is a 30-year mortgage, so you want to make sure that you're getting the best deal and you will not be penalized for pulling your credit that many times. You can actually go and fact check me. All right, so we have pulled our credit from different banks. Each bank has a different offer. Every bank will offer you a different interest rate. So what are you going to do? You're going to go with the one with the best interest rate. So then you take that interest rate and you can continue to shop for a lower one. So if you pull your credit 5 times and the lowest that you receive was a 4%, you can pull your credit 5 more times and try to see if you can get it lower. I'm a risk taker. That's something I would do. Again, you're making a decision on either 15 or 30-year mortgage. So it's okay to indulge when it comes to pulling your credit. Don't feel so shy and, oh no, there's too many credit. This is the time when you pull your credit. When you're making a decision that will affect you for the next 15 to 30 years, please, that is when you pull your credit. So negotiation is in your favor. You would go to them and say, I was offered 3%, and sometimes they will ask for proof, and you can show them the proof because the other bank will email you your pre-approval and it will show the interest rate that they quoted you. And you can forward that over to them and say, these are the documents that I received from Bank X, and they are giving me a 4%. Can you beat this offer? So that's when the negotiation starts. So when another bank sees that you were quoted this amount and they pre-approve you, then that's when the game begins, okay? And that's the part that I enjoy. All right, so now we are on question number 2. Can I get a mortgage with a low or a no credit score? So yes, but I'm hesitant because, okay, for one, a conventional loan will not qualify. You will not qualify for a conventional loan with a low credit score. With a low credit score, you can qualify for a FHA loan. So if you have like a 580 and above, FHA will approve you. That is the Federal Housing Administration. They will approve you for the loan, and you will only have to put down 3% of the value of the property. Okay, so just to clarify everything, can I get a mortgage with a low credit score? Yes. Your options will be very limited. You will not get the premier pick of an interest rate. So my high tier credit score people will get a 2.87. Someone with a 580 credit score will get 11, 12%. that will determine your mortgage. But if that's what you want to do, just know that that is an option for you. So you definitely can move forward with the 580, and you can put your 3% down and you can purchase. I do want to have a little side note about the 580 credit score. So according to Google and Wikipedia and a lot of different websites that I have sourced out, the score keeps fluctuating. I would never recommend someone buying a house with a low credit score because they like literally rip you off with the interest rate. I mean, you can always refinance if you know that, hey, I'm going to get this house and I'm going to refinance it like within first 30 days, then yeah, go for it. But if not, I would just fix my credit and I would wait. I wouldn't move forward with that because I've seen a lot of people that was offered the opportunity and they were so excited, but it just didn't make sense financially. And overall, you want to make the best financial decision because your money that you work very hard for belongs in your pocket, not in the pockets of the bank, which is why I do not believe in paying interest. I am completely debt-free. All right, so last but not least, how much money will I need to put down on my home? That is the determining factor. That's the factor that you consider before you even pull credit. Yes. If you don't have any money to put down on your house and your credit is a great score, but you don't have the down payment, then you can't really move forward. So you want to make sure that you have the down payment before you even pull credit. So you have your conventional loan, you have an FHA loan, and there are programs out there where you can put zero down. So there are like zero down payment programs. I'm not sure about those programs, but I have heard of them. I have read and saw different articles about the zero out-of-pocket programs for the first-time home buyers. So let's say you're buying a $100,000 house. If you get a conventional loan, you're going to need about $20,000. If you are going to get an FHA loan, you only need $3,000. So the conclusion of this video, if you had a 580 credit score and $3,000 in your pocket, of course you have to have a W-2 and a job and all those other things, you could buy a house. So if you didn't know, now you know. If you have any other questions, thanks for stopping by and watching my channel, and I will make more videos. Just leave me some questions. Bye guys.